Hello, good day, and this is a tutorial on the registration and creation of a website using Wix.com. So, as you can see, we have here Wix.com on the address bar, and Wix is a website builder. It has free accounts if you try to create one, and there are different types of websites that you could actually build using Wix.com. So, the best thing about here is that it has some settings that you could use for marketing, and there's a lot of things that you could actually use it for. So as you can see here, we have an online store, a portfolio, a blog, consultant, event, and others. So what you just need to do is to actually create your account. So just click here on get started, and you could either continue with Google or Facebook. So as you can see, I have already logged in and used my account, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in and continue with my Google account. So this Google account will automatically log me in, and since I do have a previous projects, as you can see, I already have one. So that means I have created some websites before. So let me go ahead and click create a new site. So in creating your new site, you will be uh, asked to pick a template or the type of website that you want to create. So the first thing that you need to do is to type in what is the business type that you want to create. So let's say, for example, I want a portfolio. Then click next, and then you could enter your website name. So if you are, for example, Juan de la Cruz, then you'll be given the name Juan de la Cruz or whatever name it is. So remember, there is some rules to follow in creating your own website name. Click on next, and then as you can see here, we have different types of possible things that we could add on our website. So we could add here forms, pricing plans, online store. So that means that there will be other features that you could add onto your website design. So since I'm going to build a portfolio, I'll go ahead and check this and just click on here. The other functions that is within your options for Wix can be added later on. So you can see here, you can share your videos, share your blogs, etc. You could actually stream music. So I'm just gonna choose in portfolio for this one. Okay. And then you'll get a chance to choose to either use a template or get a custom built site. So the best way to do here is that if you don't have any experience yet, use a template. In that way, you have a pre-designed website. So as you can see, Wix is showing me a list of designs that I could use. So you could actually click on one. So let's say I click on this one. There you go. Then if you like the layout of this website, you could just go and click edit site for editing the website. So it will automatically put in some of your basic information such as the name of the site, etc. Okay, so just pick a template that you want to use. So I'll just go ahead and go back and see other portfolio type websites. Let's see here. This one looks good. You have videos. If you want to add videos and you have a lot of moving content or graphics, you could use this one. Let's see, if you like food and photography, this could be a website for you. Now this one does not browse vertically, but you need to click and then browse. So there are different settings on the website that you can choose, but this seems to be a complete setup. So I'll just go ahead, and if I click this site, I'll go ahead and edit it, but I have already a sample website. So let me go ahead and click it for you guys. You could actually edit your site using your phones, and you could also edit your site using a computer. So I'll go ahead and edit this site that I have built before. And this is where we will provide our examples. So it loads up, it will prepare your site for you. So the best way on dealing with this is to actually go to a computer. Okay, I have here some of my contents. Okay, some videos that I could choose from or add in, and there you go. You could actually edit this site right now. So I think that's it for the first part of the creation of the site. The next tutorial will be all about what are the things that we could edit on Wix.com. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.